Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems. Whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide, we have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to delete order history on Amazon app. First of all, you can open the Amazon application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the profile icon at the bottom left corner of the screen that is next to your home page. Tap on profile icon, and after this I am telling you the Amazon app doesn't provide any feature to delete order history on Amazon app, so you can just simply go to the orders history at the top left corner of the screen that is below your name. Tap on orders, and here you can see your order history. You can just simply hold on the order and you can just simply swipe right the order, or you can just simply tap on archive order, and after archived order the order is hide, and it is a way you can delete history on Amazon app. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, try using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.